We Make for Good is a program created by Fairfield Processing, who provide product grants to crafters all over the country who share their time and talents to make something and donate it to people in need.
I never realized what a big program that was. And it makes me happy that there are lots of other people that make things to give for good.
Nancy, Kathy, Samantha, Carolyn, and others are able to get a portion of their supplies donated to them, so it's easier to continue to make and help others in need.
Bears of Hope started after I was recovering from a stem cell transplant for non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. We make bears for sick children and adults to bring them smiles, hugs, comfort, and hope.
Nancy makes Raggedy Ann dolls and donates them to Toys for Tots.
When my sister passed away, she had a whole group of these Raggedy Ann Andy dolls, and I thought, why shouldn't I make them up and give them away? I love it. I love it.
Samantha makes cat beds and donates them to the local humane societies.
I was looking to donate my time back into animal shelters. I have my perfect little rescue cat that I love more than anything, and amongst the research, cat beds are the least donated items to animal shelters, and I thought it's a great way of incorporating a skill that I already have and turn it into something good.
And for Kathy McLeese, it's about giving back to others, and a mission she works on with her mother, who lives in Wyoming.
These kids that are having to get the chemo and they're sitting there for hours, and from what I understand, they get chilled.
Kathy makes quilts and donates them to the Phoenix Children's Hospital. So this is a finished quilt, and you have how many quilts here? These are ready for donation.
These are ready for donation. Here's another one.
Oh, that's pretty. Since 2013, they have made 182 quilts.
A blanket would be comforting, and they get to keep the blanket. They get to take that home with them.
It just makes me feel good. Anything I can do to help others, that's my mission.
Every Raggedy Ann doll, forever and ever, they have the little I love you heart.
Right.
Right where our hearts are. Because you make these with love.
That's right.
Being able to walk in there and actually be able to physically hand the cat bed to a cat that's waiting to find their forever home, it's a phenomenal feeling.
With the program We Make for Good, it all works.
The finished crafts donated to people in need with the help of the We Make for Good program are tangible reminders to the recipients that they are loved and cared about. The good work of these crafters spreads comfort, support, and love in our communities and all across the world.
It's stories like that that just make me feel like we are doing something good for others.